This is a slideshow created by WPS Office, Kingsoft. It's their version of PowerPoint. PowerPoint can open it if you change the file extension to PPT. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try the rename. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust DPS file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. A DPS file is a presentation created by Kingsoft Presentation, a component of the WPS Office suite. It contains slides with text, images, animations, transitions, and multimedia elements. DPS files are used for creating and delivering presentations for business, education, and personal purposes. They are similar to PPTX files used by Microsoft PowerPoint. DPS files are structured using a proprietary binary format specific to Kingsoft Presentation. The file format supports various slide layouts, object embedding, and animation effects. While WPS Office aims for compatibility with Microsoft Office formats, some advanced features or complex layouts may not translate perfectly between the two suites. DPS files can be opened and edited using WPS Office. This DPS file is handled by the industry standard tool Kingsoft Presentation from Kingsoft. The file's non-standard data blocks prevent Windows from viewing the internal content. Windows shows only partial slide content, so full editing requires a dedicated presentation tool. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's header. Right-click the DPS file and click Open With. Test Kingsoft Presentation first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key to success. If the DPS file won't open, don't panic. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific DPS error occurs on your system. First, install WPS Office. Download and install the free WPS Office suite, which includes the native Kingsoft Presentation app required to open .dps files. Next, use PowerPoint Alternative. If you don't have WPS, right-click the file and select Open With PowerPoint, as modern Microsoft Office versions can often import these slides. Finally, convert to PPTX. Use an online file converter or the Save As feature in WPS Office to change the .dps file into a standard .pptx format for better sharing. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your DPS file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn DPS formats. The real advantage of FileMagick is its deep-level access, allowing it to read the content of your DPS file instantly, regardless of the file's extension. Get this powerful tool at filemagick.com. FileMagick can handle the obscure formats, remember? Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.